Multi-IQ technology, you first heard about it on the Minelab Equinox, which is at the minute one of the most popular metal detectors out and about. But now Minelab have launched the Vanquish, complete with multi-IQ technology, so you can have the big brother, the Equinox technology, in the Minelab Vanquish. You can detect all metals, all grounds, all of the time with an entry-level detector. Single frequency detectors often suffer on some grounds. You can have a lot of mineralisation in the ground, you have a lot of coke in the ground. This all gives positive feedback to the detector, which thinks it's a good target, and it's not. It's actually in effect the ground, so you're digging for something that's not there. You'll find these conditions on the beach. Wet sand gives a lot of false positives on a single frequency detector. Also on the dry sand on the beach, you've got people having barbecues. Coke gets there. Also old Roman sites where they used to do a lot of metal work and that, you get a lot of coke in the ground. But with the multi-IQ, it can see through that, it eliminates that, so all you're hearing is a good target. The Vanquish 340 is using multi-IQ, firing all the frequencies all the time into the ground, analysing the targets, analysing the ground. So the frequencies, the low frequencies, are brilliant for detecting deep targets, usually larger targets like hoards. The high frequencies, a bit shallower detection range, but they're good for the smaller fine gold or small hammered cut quarter hammer coins. Combining the multi-IQ, you're using the full spectrum of the frequencies that are detected. You're using them all the time, you're not having to switch between frequencies, guess which is going to penetrate the ground better. You're getting the best of all worlds with multi-IQ. So it really is a multi-purpose detector capable of beach detecting, trashy area detecting. For the beginner, it really is a turn on and go machine. You've got no complicated settings, no deep menus. You just push a button, select what you want to detect in, relic, coin. Then sensitivity, you just adjust it up or down till it's running quietly as you swing it over the ground. No noise, you're going to hear the quieter, the smaller targets, the hammered coins, and you'll definitely hear the bigger targets that blow your ears off, all at a good depth as well. Also the volume control, you have settings, push a button, just lifts the volume up, push it again, takes the volume down. Also you can plug in headphones. If you're out with a few people, they don't want to hear the detector making a noise, so plug in 3.5mm jack plug headphones, you're good to go. The standard, the Vanquish 340 comes with a 10-inch coil, which is the mid-size coil in the series. You can also buy the 8-inch coil, which is a smaller coil, ideal for heavily trashy sites or in stubble, and also the V12 coil, which is a 12-inch double D coil, which is good for covering large areas, especially useful on the beach. Still all work with the multi-IQ, and no extra settings, etc. are needed to use it. Also, if you're out for a long time, the R&B Innovations battery, which replaces the 4 rechargeable batteries that fit in there, the R&B Innovations clips in, clips on. It's USB rechargeable, USB C-type rechargeable, and you'll get about 30 hours detecting time, so ideal for weekends away, rallies, or if you just forget batteries. The R&B Innovations battery is a really good. Portability wise, it packs up super small. Nice size, you can fit it in a backpack, fit in the back of your car, even fit in the back of my car. Suit small people, so someone that big can use it, extends up, good for adults as well. Ideal as a backup detector. As you know, it's going to work on all grounds. Have it as a spare, you can take it to the beach, not a problem. So if you're looking at the tempting idea of taking up the hobby of metal detecting, you want a true go anywhere metal detector, the Minelab Vanquish 340 is going to suit you down to the ground. It's light, compact, it's very cheap, and it does everything that its big brother, the Equinox series, will do, apart from go underwater of course. No complicated settings, true turn on and go, one button, turn on, adjust your sensitivity, select what you're looking for, and that's it. Dig all the good signals. This makes metal detectors with multi-IQ true go anywhere detectors. It doesn't matter whether you're on wet sand, dry sand, ancient pasture land, ploughed fields, in the parks. A metal detector with multi-IQ is going to let you detect anywhere. multi-IQ will work. All metals, all grounds, all the time.
Crawford's Metal Detecting, powered by Minelab, fueled by passion.